Best Practice Software and Oracle Health are excited to demonstrate a live version of the Australian Patient Summary. The Patient Summary demonstration uses Oracle's Health Information Exchange platform to share patient data in near real time between Best Practices Management System BP Premier and a Metropolitan Hospital's electronic medical record. Developed as part of the SPARKS program with the CSIRO, the Australian Patient Summary uses the AU Core dataset and is aligned with the International Patient Summary Standard, or IPS. Oracle's Health Information Exchange is a revolutionary step toward data sharing in the future of healthcare and demonstrates Oracle Health and Best Practice Software's commitment to investment in the SPARK program. Australia has many digital health services spread across local, state, and national regions. Our systems are divided by funding, governance, specialty, digital maturity, standards compliance, and more. This fragmentation can act as a barrier to continuity of care. Up-to-date patient information is not available in a convenient and timely manner between providers as patients move from one care context to another. Oracle's HIE is a centralized repository where providers can access comprehensive and up-to-date patient information regardless of the healthcare system where the data was generated, connecting multiple systems. Information that can be displayed from the HIE includes laboratory results, diagnostic reports, medication histories, documents, and other patient information. Data displayed in the patient summary shows the most recent source and can be drilled down on to view underlying details, such as the last update or the investigation reports. The Oracle HIE employs standardized data and security formats and messaging protocols, including HL7 FHIR resources to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of patient data. The Oracle HIE allows technology vendors like Best Practice Software to support GPs with access to clinical information from hospitals, specialists, and other providers. For example, say a patient books a regular post-discharge follow-up with their GP. Without needing to wait for a discharge summary, the GP can open the AU patient summary from the PMS and filter to the most recent information, see the latest lab results, check for any new documents, and check for any new medications. Oracle's HIE employs the AU Patient Summary. Itself is based on the International Patient Summary, a globally recognized standard with a commitment to adoption by G7 nations. Using global FHIR standards for the IPS makes life easier for vendors to join the SPARK community and work toward true real-time interoperability. In the future, hospital networks, specialist practices, allied health, aged care, and many other healthcare organizations could benefit from Oracle's Health Information Exchange data sharing platform. The patient summary presented through Oracle's HIE can be localized based on regional requirements and clinical context. For example, the Indigenous Health Check history, found under Documents, is an adaptation of the IPS for Australia. The web portal version of the AU Patient Summary will be available for providers who are outside of the practice or hospital. Back at the desk, single sign-on can be used to seamlessly access the patient summary from your PMS or EMR system. Other enhancements coming in the near future include the write-back of key clinical information from the Oracle HIE to the PMS, supporting meaningful reuse of data, change notifications so clinicians can have real-time alerts of clinical episodes, and exports of some components to CDA or PDF where required. Oracle's Health Information Exchange solves the problem of fragmented patient data across multiple systems. By enabling access to a patient's clinical history at any point of care, Oracle's HIE enhances care coordination, supports informed decision-making, reduces duplicate testing, minimizes medical errors, and enhances patient safety and satisfaction.